Assalamu alaikum, a very fresh and a beautiful morning to all my dear students. And I hope you all are taking good care of your health, right, students? Good, very good. So let us start our today's class with our new chapter which we have started in our last class. That is Make Room for Elephant. Remember the name of the lesson is Make Room for Elephant. And this lesson was composed by Ruskin Bound. This lesson was composed in the sense written by this Ruskin Bound. The author name is Ruskin Bound. Clear? And under this lesson, the author Ruskin Bound was telling that a little child who he want to kept a pet, not a dog, cat. He want to kept a pet which is elephant, a baby elephant. He want to kept a baby elephant in his home, in his house. So he was thinking, he was telling something, that is, I know that the world is very crowded place, right? So an elephant takes very lots of place, and if something make difference, then I will happily share my room with this baby elephant. So he was वो खुशी खुशी अपना रूम ये बेबी एलिफेंट के साथ शेयर करने के लिए तैयार है, और अपना food in the sense meal, the food which we take, right? So he was happily want to share his food also with the baby elephant. So students, before going to our next paragraph, here we have some difficult words in this paragraph, right? Which means the meaning of the difficult word, that is the garage, which means a place where vehicles are kept. Okay, garage क्या है? एक area है, एक place है जहाँ पे vehicles in the sense the car, the bikes, all that will kept. Okay, and next kind means caring about others. Okay, stay means to continue, to be somewhere, to continue. Okay, and wonder in the sense to want to know something, or thinking of something. So let us start. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too. So the child was thinking that he want to keep a baby elephant, and he was gladly want to share his room and board, and which means the food. He gladly want to share the food and the room with this baby elephant. But what happened if this baby elephant would also bring his mother to this home? Then what happened? But if he brings his mother, then what happened? There is a dad garage. He wouldn't mind. So the child is thinking that we have a dad garage. Out of the house we have a garage. That is the dad garage, and my dad won't mind if I kept the mother elephant in her garage, in his garage. So he was thinking that the dad would get mine, and he wouldn't mind in the sense he have not any issues with that. Okay, so to elephant he is more kind. So here kind means caring about others. Okay, caring about others. So he was telling that the little boy's father was, maybe he might love the animals, and he is more kind to that elephant. Okay, he was telling that the father will be more kind to that elephants. Okay, he won't get any issues with that. But I wonder what our mom would say if the aunts and uncles come to stay. And again the children was thinking that, but wonder in the sense thinking of something. So children thinking that, but I wonder what our mom will say, what my mom will say if that baby elephant uncles and aunties also come to stay in house. As I said, elephants are very huge. They take up lots and lots of space. If baby elephant mother has came, we have kept in that garage. But what happened? These the baby elephant of the aunties and uncles also came to stay. There is no place in our house, in their house, right? So he was wondering that. He was thinking about that. My mom maybe get some issues with that. My mom will be not give permission to stay there, the baby elephant's aunties and uncles. So if all the family of this baby elephant would come to stay in this house, there will be no space in that house. So he was thinking that the mom will not give permission to that, right? So actually this is our lesson. Okay, by this we have completed the lesson, that is make room for elephant. Okay, so like this we have discussed about the child who want to keep a baby elephant in his room, right? By this we have completed our lesson. So students, your today's homework is, we have a meanings. Okay, this meaning you have to write in your homework, that is the crowd means a large number of people in one place making noise. Okay, space means a place or an area. Gladly means willingly, happily. Board means meals. Okay, garage means a place where vehicles are kept or repaired. Okay, kind, caring about others. Stay, to continue to be somewhere. Wonder, to want to know something. So this is your homework, students. Okay, thank you, students. Have a nice day.